Ever wondered if there's a better way to manage your money when payday hits? You know that feeling, your salary lands, and suddenly you're doing mental gymnastics, trying to figure out what goes where. How much for bills? How much for savings? How much can you actually spend without feeling guilty? It's a common dilemma, a monthly ritual of financial juggling that can be stressful, time-consuming, and let's be honest, often leads to overspending or undersaving. We've all been there. The excitement of payday quickly morphs into the anxiety of allocation. You open your banking app, see that nice round number, and then the questions begin. Did I set enough aside for rent? What about that car insurance that's due next week? Oh, and I really wanted to start saving for that trip, but where does that fit in? Before you know it, your main balance looks healthy, but you're not entirely sure how much of it is truly yours to spend versus how much is earmarked for essential commitments. This leads to a common cycle. You try to keep a mental tally, you might even open a spreadsheet, but life happens, impulse purchases sneak in, and suddenly, you're scrambling to cover bills, dipping into savings, or feeling tight at the end of the month. Traditional banking systems, while functional, often don't truly simplify this process. They offer separate accounts, sure, but the act of moving money between them after each payday still falls on you. It's a manual process, prone to human error, and frankly, a bit of a bore. You might set up standing orders, but those often require fixed amounts, which might not be flexible enough if your income or outgoings fluctuate. And if you have multiple savings goals, a house deposit, a new car, a holiday fund, keeping track of them all in one main account is a recipe for confusion. This is precisely where innovative financial tools come in. Imagine a world where your salary arrives, and instead of that immediate internal debate, your money automatically flows to where it needs to go. Your bills are covered, your savings grow, and you're left with a clear, guilt-free amount to spend on whatever you like. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream. It's a reality for millions, thanks to a feature that has revolutionized how people approach payday, the Monzo salary sorter. The Monzo salary sorter is more than just a convenient tool, it's a fundamental shift in how you can manage your income. It transforms payday from a moment of potential stress into an exercise in automated financial planning. Forget the manual transfers, the mental arithmetic, and the constant checking of balances. With Salary Sorter, Monzo takes the heavy lifting out of payday, allowing you to establish a robust and effortless system for dividing your income the moment it lands. So, let's dive into the core of it. When is the Monzo Salary Sorter demo? The beauty of the Monzo Salary Sorter is that there isn't a single, fixed demo you need to wait for or sign up to attend. It's an integrated feature within the Monzo app itself, always available, always ready for you to explore and set up at your convenience. Think of it less like a scheduled event and more like an ever-present, intuitive assistant waiting for you to activate it. The demo, in essence, happens the moment your salary hits your Monzo account and you choose to engage with the feature directly within the app. Let's walk through how this demo effectively unfolds and why it's so powerful. First off, you need to be a Monzo customer with your salary paid into your Monzo account. This is the foundational step. If you're not yet using Monzo, it's a straightforward process to open an account and switch your salary over. Many employers are familiar with providing Monzo account details for direct deposits, and Monzo themselves offer a seamless switching service. Once your salary is directed to Monzo, the magic can begin. The demo of the Monzo Salary Sorter starts when your salary payment hits your account. Monzo is known for its instant notifications, so you'll receive a ping on your phone as soon as the money lands. This is your cue. Tap on that notification, or simply open your Monzo app and locate the incoming salary payment in your transaction feed. You'll immediately see a prominent option to sort My Salary or Salary Sorter associated with that specific transaction. This is your gateway to the demo, the interactive experience that shows you exactly how it works. Tapping this button is where the real demonstration begins. You'll be presented with an intuitive interface that allows you to allocate your incoming funds. Monzo understands that people have different financial priorities, so it provides a flexible framework. You can typically see a breakdown of your existing pots. Now, if you're new to Monzo, pots are essentially sub-accounts within your main Monzo account, designed for specific savings goals or expenditure categories. You might have a bills pot, a holiday fund pot, an emergency savings pot, or even a fun money pot. The beauty of pots is that they visually separate your money, making it incredibly clear how much you have for each purpose. The salary sorter demo allows you to allocate to pots. You can decide exactly how much of your salary you want to move into each of your pre-existing pots. For example, if your rent is £800 and your salary is £2,000, you can set £800 to go straight into your rent pot. Similarly, you might allocate £200 to your utilities pot, £150 to your savings pot, and so on. The interface is clean and easy to use, often with sliders or direct input fields that let you adjust amounts in real time. As you allocate funds to pots, you'll see the remaining amount in your main spending balance update instantly. This immediate visual feedback is a key part of the demo. It shows you the direct impact of your decisions. Set aside for spending. Whatever's left after you've allocated money to your pots remains in your main Monzo account. This is your spending money, the amount you can freely use for day-to-day expenses, guilt-free, knowing that your essential bills and savings goals are already taken care of. This clear separation is incredibly liberating and empowers you to budget more effectively. Remember preferences. This is where the Monzo salary sorter moves beyond a one-off demo and becomes a recurring financial superpower. After you've sorted your salary for the first time, Monzo offers you the option to remember these preferences. If you select this, the next time your salary comes in from the same sender, the salary sorter will pre-fill with your previous allocations. This means that with a single tap, your money will be sorted exactly as you prefer, every single payday. This automation is a game changer. It means you only truly demo the allocation process once, and then it becomes a background operation, saving you time and mental effort month after month. Flexibility and adjustments. Even if you've set up automatic sorting, you are never locked in. If your income changes, or your financial priorities shift, you can easily tap into the salary sorter when your next payment arrives and adjust the amounts. The demo is always available to be rerun, customized, and refined to fit your evolving financial landscape. This flexibility is crucial because life isn't static, and your budgeting needs might change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.